This is going to be a quick video on the toolbars in SOLIDWORKS that we're going to use the most often for 3D shapes. So the main toolbar at the top here, this is called the Command Manager. Okay, and this is where all your other toolbars are held. So we have our Feature toolbar, Sketch, Evaluate, Dim, SOLIDWORKS, Add-ins. Okay, those are all different toolbars, and they're all inside the Command Manager. So this main bar at the top is called the Command Manager. That's where all your toolbars are held. Okay, the two main ones we're going to use when we're working in 3D is the Feature and the Sketch toolbar. So the Feature toolbar has all the 3D tools in it, and that's why it's labeled here 3D. It's going to have Extrude Boss Base, Extrude Cut. All those 3D things are going to be in the Feature toolbar. So if you want to make something 3D, you need to be here. To start off with your sketch, you're going to be in the Sketch toolbar, and this is 2D. So these are your drawing tools, your note tool, Smart Dimension, okay, and other tools over here. So Feature toolbar is in 3D, and Sketch toolbar is for 2D. All right, on the left side of your screen here, this is called the Feature Design Tree, and this is kind of like your history of what you've done. So every time you make a new sketch, every time you make something 3D, that information gets saved over here on the left, and you can go back to it and make changes. Okay, this is very helpful. So if you're designing a new table, and you started off, you made the table top, and then the table legs, and then the support piece in the middle or something, and you realize that the tabletop, you actually want it to be 3 feet instead of 4 feet. Okay, you could come back to this where it says Sketch 1, click on it, edit it, and then make your changes, and it'll update the file. Okay, so you don't have to delete and start over. You can come to here, see everything you've done, and make changes to it. Okay, and then just a couple quick things. So at the top here is your Save tool. So when you're done at the end of the day, you can click here and save it. And the way you know it's saved is this little dot right here. Okay, this is called an asterisk. If the asterisk is there, that means it's not saved. Once you click Save, that will disappear, and that's how you know it's saved. And then right next to it is the file name. So this is just how you can double check, make sure you have the right file that you're working on, that you thought you were working on. All right, so that was just a quick video on this 3D SOLIDWORKS toolbars. Make sure you kind of know what they're called. That way, when we're in class and we're working on or working in SOLIDWORKS, when I refer to something, you won't be confused on what I'm talking about. You'll know which toolbars are which and be able to follow along with me.